Reagan, you want your phone? Okay.
So what brand name is this 17 HMO?
This is a Ruger Precision Rimfire.
Ruger Precision Rimfire.
Yeah.
What'd that run?
I think it was like 550 brand new, just for the gun, without the scope and the silencer.
Lefty. Shooting the drums. So we got the scope. How much was that about?
I think I paid like $350 for that one.
$350. What was the silencer?
That was like $5 something after the tax stamp.
Okay, so about 300 and then 200
Yeah.
tax stamp right there.
Yeah.
So we're silenced. So this will be way quieter than her 22 Cricket. Boom. And then you got the bypass. What'd that run? 35, 40?
No, that was a pricier bipod. I think that was like 180 or something like that.
Ooh.
Yeah, maybe,
I see it's got multiple
though.
legs. I see
Yeah,
it goes out a bunch.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's like all metal, you know.
That's standard.
That's made in the USA.
Nice. So we got the sun setting over the house. We got a couple of refrigerant cylinders set up close range for the girls. And in a minute we're going to break out the silencer. I think we'll try this silenced and unsilenced.
Yeah.
It's not a subsonic camera.
Yeah, you could buy the subsonic.
Yeah, you can.
Bing. All right. Switch. Oh, look, she dressed like the gun. You're like in fashion, huh?
These are fine.
Except what kind of Polish little shoes are you wearing? Your shoes don't match. Oh, Remy does more. Do they? What do they match? Oh, you're purple. All right. And you're a righty. You're normal.
Remy's an alien.
Reagan's an alien? Is that what you said? Or Remy's a... You said she's an alien? Go, go, go. Let's see if she got to do laps. She gets it. She'll outrun me now. Hell, I almost couldn't make it home in my Viper truck with my left knee being bad. I just kept it in second gear. Yeah, my clutch. Because it's kind of stiff a little bit, even though it's hydraulic. Yeah, alright, having fun. Yeah, sorry, she'll keep getting it too. No, she's slowing up. Thought you were going to keep getting it. Boom. Which one did you hit?
Keep hitting the first one.
The closest one?
Yeah.
Right next to the box? Okay, good. That's good. Can you see where you're hitting it? Or you just hear it hitting?
I see it.
So you're shooting right on target? Or you shoot a little high, a little low?
A little low.
A little low? Okay. So you can raise it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Like aim at the valve on top and see where you hit it on the jug. Right on. And we'll see. Let's zoom. Oh, that was just a little high. No problem. Here, lower. We'll keep the zoom in. We'll go to a 6. Rifle one. It is chilly. I don't have a coat on. Getting it. Probably got to clean it. We'll break out some oil tonight for the big gun shoot tomorrow. Yeah,
You're just right.
That was like
Yeah.
the post. Was that the post?
yeah. My phone battery is going dead. Easy now.
Trying to kill me?
Don't
What did
trip.
I do to you?
No muzzle sweeping your sister. All right. Right? Is it getting stiffer every time? Or are you just getting weaker? Boom. All right. America.
Done?
Happy Saturday, snowflakes.
Need some more?